I've tried many hacks before, but this viral doner kebab is the best ever. Ground meat is spiced and then sandwiched between sheets of parchment paper. It's then rolled paper thin. The entire sheet is then rolled and baked, and the results are these thin sheets of doner kebab. I've used other techniques to make doner kebab before, and I'm using the same recipe. I have half an onion and 4 cloves of garlic, and I'm going to grind this to a paste and then strain out all the excess moisture. You can also just grate everything, but do make sure to remove all the moisture. Next, I have 1 kilo of lean ground beef here, and I'm going to add salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of dried oregano, 1 tablespoon of Aleppo pepper. You can also just substitute a chili powder or chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of dried parsley, and a 1/4 cup of fresh parsley and dill. Look how much liquid has drained out of the onion. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of the ground onion and garlic in. Next, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of a thick yogurt, 1 tablespoon of red pepper paste, 'Mix this really well and take time to massage all of the ingredients together. You want this mixture to be as cohesive as possible. In my previous doner video, I ground everything together I ground this mixture together in my food processor, but this is not really necessary. To make the kebabs, grab 2 sheets of parchment paper. Use whatever size you have available, but they should be the same size. Grab some of the mixture and spread it onto the sheet. Try and cover up any spaces. Place the second sheet on top and press down with your hands, and then roll the meat so it's a thin sheet. Don't worry if it's irregular, it doesn't need to be a perfect rectangle, but it does need to be thin. Any meat that comes out of the sides, you can just scoop up and put back into the bowl. Once it's done, just roll it up and place it on a baking tray. Keep going till all the mixture has been rolled. Now I'm going to place these in a preheated oven at 350 degrees till they're cooked. Once it's done, remove it and allow it to cool. Typically there's some juice and fat that comes out of the meat. Just remove this and keep it aside. These are literally sheets of doner kebabs. You can leave these as is, or you can tear them up and just saute them in a frying pan if you want some more color. I find the easiest way is to just stick it under the broiler for a few minutes. Once done, allow it to cool and tear it into smaller pieces. You can use any kind of Arabic pita you have available. I found this amazing bread. It's super thin and fresh. You can use a whole circle or even just half of it if you want a smaller roll. To assemble the doner kebab, I'm going to start with some garlic paste. I'm going to add some red pepper paste. I'm going to add some doner meat. Add as much as you like. Some tomatoes. I dehydrated mine, but you can use fresh. Some red onion that I just tossed together with some lime juice and parsley. Some pickled turnips, which are my favorite. And I'm going to finish off with some fresh parsley and dill. You can customize your doner roll any way you like. Roll this up tightly, serve it as is, or you can warm it up on the grill, cut it in half, and enjoy.